Let's do one more test here. We'll change it to use the context.watch extension method instead of block builder. Delete the block builder and change state.apptheme to use context.watch. Let's do a hard restart and test. An error has occurred. 3 cases were presented. The first is that I added a new provider and did not hard restart the app, but it is not relevant because I just hard restarted the app. Second, the provider we are trying to read is on a different route, but this is not applicable because we have never done navigation. If so, the third, you use a build context that is an ancestor of the provider you are trying to read, seems to be the case. The context of context.watch is the context of the build function, but there is no theme block type block provider above it. The solution is to make the path a child widget or use the builder callback. The method of refactoring to a child widget is still valid, but telling the user to use the builder callback is not an exact error message because a block provider doesn't have a builder callback. But the reason is because this error message is an error message from the provider package. Then you may have another question like this. Why am I getting an error message from the provider package? The reason is that the Flutter Bloc uses a provider internally to provide the block to the widget tree and makes it easy to access the block from the widget tree. So what should I do? There is no builder callback, but you can work around this by using the builder widget provided by Flutter itself. Let's wrap the material app with the builder widget. Let's test after hard restart. Let's click the change theme button. 7 dark theme, 3 dark theme, 7 dark theme, 3 dark theme, 4 light theme, and 8 light theme. We have confirmed that the app works normally. A detailed description of this builder widget is in the blog access chapter. For now, you just need to know how to use builder like this. But when I think about it for a moment, using block builder is almost the same as using combination of the builder widget and context extension method. After the introduction of extension method, there were relatively few occasions to use block builder, but it can be very useful when you need a context to find a block provider like this one.